Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since my last video, but I'm back with solutions to all the linear programming questions from GATE 2022, and I'll be uploading videos one by one. That is, for every question I will be uploading a single video, a separate video. So let's get started with first question. This is 57th question from GATE 2022. So this is an assignment problem. We are given three companies which submit bids for three jobs, J1, J2 and J3, and we are given a table which indicates the cost involved per unit for every job, and we have to find out the cost of optimal assignment. So we will solve this by using Hungarian method. So the first step is we have to find out minimum of every row and subtract that minimum from each entry of that corresponding row. So minimum of first row is 8, minimum of second row is 9, minimum of third row is also 9. So let's subtract 8 from all the entries of row 1. Let's arrange the table first. So the first entry becomes 10 minus 8, 2, 12 minus 8, 4, 8 minus 8, 0. Likewise, the second row becomes 0, 6, 1, and the third row 6, 1, 0. Now, whatever we did for the row, we have to do it for columns and updated columns, that is columns from this updated table. So minimum of this column is 0, minimum of this second column is 1, and for third column it's 0. Okay, now if you subtract 0 from every entry, the entries will remain the same, but if we subtract 1, the entries will be changed. So we have 2, 0, 6. This is first column unchanged, second column will be 3, 5, 0, and third column will also be unchanged because 0 is the minimum. So we have 0, 1, 0. Now that we have completed first two steps, we will proceed to the third step. The third step is we have to make assignments in this table. So how will we do it? For every row from top to bottom, we will first find out row which has a single zero entry. So first row has single zero entry. So we will square that zero entry, and in the corresponding column we will cross off all the zero entries, all other zero entries, right? So in the first column we have 0, in first row we have 0 in third column, and in third column we have another 1 0. So we cross off that 0. Now proceed to the second row. Here we have only 1 0 in this row. So we will square that 0 and check if we have other zeros in this corresponding column. So we don't have any other zeros, so we are done here. Now in the third row, this 0 is crossed off. So only 1 0 remains, right? Okay, so now all the zeros are covered, and in each row we have 1 0, exactly 1 0, and in each column as well we have exactly 1 0. Thus we have arrived at optimal solution. And how will we find out the solution? These are our companies C1, C2, C3. So for C1 company, the 0 with square, this is in J3 column. So for C1 company, we will assign job J3. For C2 company, we have squared 0 in J1 column. So for C2 company, we will assign J2 job. And for C3 company, we will assign J2. Sorry, this should be J1. And for C3 company, we will assign J2 job. Okay, now what is the entry in C1 J3 cell? C1 J3, the original entry is 8. So the cost will be 8 here. C2 J1, the entry is 9, and for C3 J2, the entry is 10. So these are the costs. So the total cost will be 9 plus 8 plus 10, 27. So this is the total cost. So the cost of the optimal assignment is 27. So I hope you all understood this solution. See you in the next video. Thank you.